This week's parsha we have Yetzias Mitzrayim. Finally, the Yidden went out. The pasuk says, "Be'etzam yom hazeh yatsu kol tzivois Hashem be'eretz Mitzrayim." The armies of Hashem, tzivois havaya. Now, what does this mean? The word tzivois havaya. We became an army of Hashem. Because the Sfarim say when Hashem created the world, it was supposed to be that just existing in the world meant knowing the source of creation, knowing Hashem, knowing that all is unified, there's a purpose to creation. Just by looking at nature, looking at the world, looking at ourselves, we can see there's Hashem. But what happened? Adam Rishon, Chet Adam Rishon, more Averis, and godliness left the world. Suddenly we can't see Hashem in the world just by existing. Now there's sheker, there's confusion, there's hiddenness, we don't see Hashem. But Klal Yisrael were chosen. We are the chosen people. We're chosen for what? We're chosen to be Hashem's army, to reveal the truth of the world. To reveal that everything is from Hashem. Hashem created the world with 22 letters of the Torah. With the 10 statements, the Asarim Amaris. So the Tzivos Hashem, the Gemara says, Tzivos is Tzava Ba'ois delayed. Tzava, we're the army to reveal the letters of Hashem, to reveal Hashem's expression in this world. Because Hashem is screaming, world. Hashem is saying the world into existence, speaking the world into existence. But unfortunately, through our Averas, we can't hear it. The world doesn't scream Hashem. We see the world and we see everything else. We see evolution, we see politics, we see money, we see everything else besides Hashem in the world. And our job is to shout, this world is just saying Hashem. This world is a unified, godly place. And that's what we see, this parasha, we came out of Mitzrayim, at the end of the two parashas, and the end of this week's parasha, we talk about tefillin. The parashas Kaddish and Vayik V'yacham, where we put on tefillin every day on our head, on our arm, again next to the heart, to give us the awareness that all that exists is Hashem, as we say in the tefillah before tefillin, that the Yetzias Mitzrayim, which is written in the parashas of tefillin, was there to show us that everything is Hashem. When Hashem is in charge, and He's constantly bringing the world into existence. And the pasuk finishes off in the parasha Leman Tiyeh Toras Hashem Beficha. Says this Chasemes. Toras Hashem means Toras Havaya. What's Havaya? Yud Kei Vav Kei means Hashem is constantly bringing the world into existence. He's constantly being Mahaveh the world. So the job of us is to learn Torah. What's Torah? Aseres HaDibros was Anoichi Hashem Elokecha. The fact is, that's all that exists. Anoichi is the reality. And that's what Yetzias Mitzrayim is for, and that's what we were chosen as a people, to just shout this truth to ourselves, to people around us, which means that we need to unite the world. We're not here for this politician or that sports team. There's a uniting force of truth, of unity, of godliness in this world. And we're not the same. We're not the same as everyone else. We are here to shout out that there's truth. We're here to deny the sheker that the world, unfortunately, hides godliness. So we should mamash feel that we're special, and we're here a 0.02% of people in this world, and we're just a tiny fraction of the universe itself, but we're the purpose of the universe itself. To shout out that this whole universe, all the people in it, all the animals, the whole thing is all expressing Hashem. And when we do this enough, and we tell ourselves enough, and tell the world enough that there's only Hashem, when Mashiach will come, it says, "Afoich kala amim safa gerura," that everyone will know Hashem is here. The man das kalamei haaretz, malak haaretz, deas Hashem. Everyone will have the knowledge just by living. By living means we live It means Hashem exists. The world exists, Hashem exists. It's so simple. But we just need to make sure that everyone knows this, and we know this. And we should mamish have Yetzias Eretz Mitzrayim, Erenu Niflois, Meheri Amenu. We should have the whole world knowing that Hashem exists, not just us.